We're the first fire department in the country, I'm told, from the manufacturer, that replaced 100% of our fire gear to remove PFAS and halogenated products out of our gear. As soon as I knew the numbers when it came out of UL testing, I felt like somebody just took a building off my shoulders, because it's always been in the back of my head.
Cancer is the leading cause of death in firefighters. And we know that PFAS is a carcinogen. It causes various types of cancers.
We received the new gear in June, and not even 12 hours later, we responded to a fire. And it was a relief to know that out of all the chemicals that we have to deal with in a fire, that we don't have to worry about the chemical that our gear is made out of.
This is a PFAS-treated fabric. This has moved really quickly from the standpoint of it's moved too fast for some people, not fast enough for others. And I think that's really difficult when you have people all across the country, you know, firefighters all across the country, the manufacturers, everything like that, and they're trying to figure out, how do we do this?
It's truly outrageous to me and deeply troubling that we stand here today to talk about the new gear we bought, sold to us on the premise that had no PFAS in it, PFAS-free. That's how it was advertised. Was recently independently tested and came back highly positive with PFAS components in the gear.
And as we fight to eradicate cancer from the fire service and get this PFAS out of the gear, we're fulfilling our role to the people that we took to protect them. Because when we wear this gear, we wear it into your house. We unfortunately are exposing you sometimes on medical calls, sometimes at car accidents.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now World.